If you are an NRI earning more than 15 lakhs from India, there is a specific rule written exactly for you. And most NRIs have never heard of it. This is called deemed residency, introduced a few years ago and now tightened further under the Income Tax Act 2025. This concept is simple but dangerous if you ignore it. Now, how it works? You have lived abroad and earned 15 lakhs from Indian sources. Like it can be your dividend, business income, professional fees, and you pay zero tax on your country of residence. The moment these two conditions meet, India deems you as a resident. You don't cross 182 days, you don't cross 60 days, you barely visited India, doesn't matter. Department doesn't look at your passport stamps anymore. It looks at your income and your tax liability abroad. If both the conditions are met, you are in. Now, what the deemed residency actually means for you? It means that your global income becomes taxable in India. All of it gets reported, assessed and taxed in India. Now, who are the most common victims? The NRIs in UAE, Bahrain and the zero tax countries. And with the higher Indian income, if you are in this situation and you haven't restructured, then you are exposed. Check your numbers today and don't forget to get in touch for more such NRI tax rules that nobody tells you about. Thank you so much.